Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make frozen gummy bears in one day, updated. Start by gathering gummy bears, silicone molds, a freezer-safe tray, and a pastry brush. Clean and dry molds thoroughly, then arrange gummy bears in a single layer. Lightly mist bears with flavored water or juice for extra sparkle. Freeze the tray uncovered for 2 to 3 hours until firm. Pop bears from molds and store in an airtight container. Chill prep is simple and satisfying. Arrange one layer of gummy bears in each mold cavity so they freeze individually without sticking together. If you want a lighter texture, add a drop or two of juice or flavored water to each cavity. Pop the tray onto a flat section of your freezer so bears remain level while freezing. Set a timer for 2 hours, then check firmness before an additional hour if needed. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more quick tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps your hands free and your drink cold while you work on frozen treats, and it fits in most cup holders for kitchen multitasking. It's perfect for sipping between steps and prevents sticky fingers from grabbing your phone. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Finish like a pro with gentle handling and smart storage. Freeze the tray uncovered first so moisture doesn't accumulate, then cover loosely to block odors. When bears are firm, flex the silicone mold carefully and invert it over parchment to release them cleanly. If any stick, use a pastry brush edge to coax them free. Place finished frozen gummy bears in an airtight container and freeze until ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.